going to be doing some reduction liners on the S210E 40R. These liners come in available ranges from 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. Currently we're going to be using the 4-inch, which what it's going to do is cut our blast pattern down from 8 inches down to 4 inches. So what we'll do is we'll tip the machine back so we can take a look at the liner that we have installed. So here's the liner. It attaches from the backside behind your tail seal here. And what it's going to do is, so now we'll have an opening of 4 inches here for the shot to go through. The reduction liners work great for prepping the floors inside a warehouse for stripes. You can do this to remove old stripes or to prep the floor for the new stripes.